Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked: cleaning your dishwasher. It's a crucial task to keep your appliance running smoothly and your dishes nice and clean. Let's break it down into 3 easy points: the why, the when, and how you should clean your dishwasher. To start us off, let's talk about why cleaning your dishwasher is essential. Poor performance. Your dishwasher might not clean those dishes as effectively. Over time, food particles and grease can build up, causing your dishwasher to struggle with everyday cleaning. This regular cleaning helps ensure those dishes come out spotless each time. Also, unpleasant odors. Trapped food particles can cause bad smells. All that leftover food and grime trapped in the filter or seals can lead to those unpleasant odors inside the dishwasher. Be sure to clean these areas regularly, keeping that dishwasher odor-free and your kitchen smelling fresh. A big one is clogged spray arms. This built-up debris can cause blockage of the spray arms, reducing the water flow. The spray arms are responsible for distributing the water throughout the dishwasher, and these blockages can severely impact the cleaning process. So be sure to clear the debris from these spray arms to ensure that water flow and those spray arms are working effectively. Lastly, why cleaning your dishwasher is important is because you don't want to reduce the lifespan of the unit. This is going to save you from costly repairs or replacement parts. Proper care and maintenance is going to help avoid those breakdowns, or you're going to need to buy another dishwasher. Next, let's cover when to clean your dishwasher. Here are a few simple guidelines to follow. You're going to want to wash your dishwasher weekly. Wipe down the door edges and gasket to get rid of any debris and remove and clean the filter. A quick weekly wipe of the door seals. Cleaning the filter prevents the grime and accumulating in hard to reach areas. This simple routine avoids unpleasant smells and keeps your dishwasher running smoothly. You want to be able to clean it monthly as well. A monthly deep clean is ideal to keep your dishwasher in top condition. Performing a thorough deep clean once a month helps remove that built-in grease, food particles, and mineral deposits. This prevents performance issues and ensures your dishwasher stays working efficiently. And be sure to clean it after heavy loads. If you just run a load with particularly dirty or greasy dishes, it's a good idea to give your dishwasher a quick clean. Heavily soiled loads can leave extra residue, which may clog the filter or the spray arms. A quick clean after these loads prevents buildup and keeps your dishwasher ready for its next cycle. Lastly, let's talk about how to clean your dishwasher. Here's a step-by-step guide. Our first one is to empty the dishwasher. Make sure it's completely empty before you start. Secondly, check and clean the filter. Remove it from the bottom rack and locate the filter. Clean it with warm, soapy water to remove any debris. You're next going to want to clean the spray arms. Take out the spray arms and rinse them under running water. You can use a toothpick or something small to clear any blocked holes. Then you're going to want to wipe down the door seals. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the door seals and edges where grime can accumulate. And then lastly, you're going to want to run a cleaning cycle. Always read the user guide for your unit for best results. However, some find success in placing dishwasher safe cup filled with white vinegar on the top rack and run a hot water cycle, or using dishwasher cleaning tablets that you can find at the store. And there you have it, a simple guide to keeping your dishwasher clean and efficient. Regular cleaning does not only ensure that your dishes come out spotless, but also prolongs the life of your appliance. So make it a part of your routine, and your dishwasher will thank you.